Today I'm going to show you how to brighten the video. First of all, go to your Capcut application. Click New Project. Select your video. So let's say this is the video I want to brighten. Click and tap on that particular video. Scroll the options from the bottom until you find the option Adjust. Click on it. Now you can see there are many options like brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure. Click on brightness. Increase the brightness. Okay, now go to the exposure. It will make your video more brighter. So to adjust the brightness, you can go to the contrast option and increase it. You can see that it's just adjusting it. You can also go to the highlight option to highlight the lighter perk like that again. You can go to the contrast option to optimize it. Okay. This is obviously, you can just brighten your video. If this tutorial helps you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.